How to fix cannot add account in Windows 10 Mail and Calendar. So if you want to fix cannot add account in Windows 10 or 11 Mail and Calendar application, then you need to simply open up your mail, and here it will ask you that if you want to let Mail and Calendar access and send email. So you need to click on yes, and now it will ask you to add an account. So you can simply click on add account and then you can add an account to your mail. But if you're facing a problem with that, you need to simply remove that and then you can go for settings application. Search for settings on your apps and then open up your settings. And here on the left you will have a bunch of options. So make sure you are under the apps option. Go for the apps and you need to go for default apps. And here you may have calendar, and here you will have mail and calendar. So here you have your mail, right? So what you need to do is simply go for the mail. And here you may have a reset option. You need to simply click on reset and you need to reset that application. So basically that will reset your application, and as soon as you reset, you can see the app will be working right. And the app's data will be deleted, so any other settings that may have caused the problem are now gone, and you completely reset the Windows 10 Mail app and calendar. Another thing that you can do is go to the Microsoft Store. You need to open up your Microsoft Store, and here you can go for the library option, which is here on the bottom left, and it will take you to your applications. You need to make sure that you are under the installed applications, and then you may have your mail. Right here you have your mail and calendar. So make sure that it is up to date. So if you have any updates under this mail and calendar, then you need to update your application from your Microsoft Store. Or you can also go to your home page and then you can search for mail and calendar. And here if it says there has been an error, then you need to simply click on retry and you need to retry updating your mail and calendar. And if that still doesn't work, then you need to simply go for your Windows. You need to go to the Windows and then you need to search for the Windows PowerShell. And once you've opened the Windows PowerShell, and here you need to enter the command. So you need to enter a command which you will have in the description down below. So just simply copy and paste that command. And once you enter the command, now hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, this command will completely reinstall the mail and calendar on your Windows 10 or 11. So these were some quick fixes to this problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.